Is your Siemens EQ6 starting to squeak, stick, or feel rough when brewing? It's probably time to lubricate the brewing unit. Let's walk through the steps. No tools needed. By the end of this video, your machine should run smooth and quiet again. Step 1. Power off and unplug the machine. Always start with the machine fully powered down and unplugged for safety. Step 2. Open the side panel and remove the brewing unit. On the right side of the machine, open the service door. Press the release button and slide the brewing unit out completely. Step 3. Clean the brewing unit first. Rinse the unit under warm water, no soap. Make sure all grounds and residue are removed. Let it dry completely before lubricating. Step 4. Apply silicone grease to moving parts. Use food-grade silicone grease, not oil. Apply a small amount to the piston rod, the part that moves in and out, sliding tracks or arms, rubber seals if they feel dry. A cotton swab or gloved finger works best to spread it evenly. Step 5. Reinsert and run a rinse cycle. Slide the brewing unit back into place until it clicks. Close the door, power the machine on, and run a rinse cycle from the menu. This helps the grease settle and ensures smooth operation. Still getting noise or movement issues after lubricating? There could be a mechanical fault. We've linked Siemens support in the description if you need help. If this video helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more appliance care walkthroughs. Got another EQ6 issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and happy brewing!